you guys doing in here? Look at my face. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I woke up like 10 times last night. Oh, thanks to damn Neily, yo. Oh, we're back with another vlog. But today we're up on the road with mommy right about now, isn't it? Just a touch out. Just touched down at the airport. I guess what can we have today? What's that man get? So? What's going on there? What's that? Oh, skip there? What's what not? Woman car. Me Jesus. Watch her. Choke up much. She got the button start and thing to do, and I fret no job.
From the plane to the helicopter, yeah.
Sorry, man. Let me feel like you're your own car, sir. You say you can't feel smaller than people every time I say.
Now you was there, no?
I put in. Come here, car's blending over this.
So why you can't say go? When I go, can come up on it?
Carry that, turn off the Wi-Fi. When time we connect to Wi-Fi, we carry them in our work. Feel me? Until we move out the parking lot. Boy. Pan them place of people. Bush. Foreign. Worse than Jamaica. We'll come get some jungle in the back. Pay if you have a big car. Yeah, looking up because last time, man. They also look good though.
Starting route to home.
Me I go do it.
Head southwest on Starlight Drive. Then turn right onto Schussler
Me
Road.
don't turn right there, so. Me I go back where I come from. Guess where me come from?
But that's what they shot, huh?
Yes.
Turn right onto Schussler Road.
See there? You wrong. See, you just have to go. Come to the back for go. I say, oh, I'm behind this. You saw me think I want church, I'm just pass.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Schussler Road.
I miss the animal there. Me no want so. They know this thing, sir.
Their name Elk.
They say no splitting care by the bush a while ago.
You can't live on that now for real, always.
Sure, me go through, can come through.
Their name Elk.
You will put fire, see, I fly come on, see, I
Turn
fly
right
come on
onto
fast.
Schussler Road.
You can't turn there. You know, try to get you that so. Yeah, so. Not your foot like Tyrekevlogs slow. You see, I fly come on the car a while ago. You road like with the Jamaica back road, man, watch it.
In 1.3 miles,
See,
turn
I'm
left
road like
onto
this, I'm
Tasman
going to
Ferry
a lone
Road.
elk park.
You know what name so, no?
Yeah, most of the elk, them the animal, them like they say on this, elk, them name.
Okay.
I don't the first one go to them, run a lone elk park.
Why?
What you call the road, sir? Fern Gully?
Yeah, because for someone when I go to the Fern Gully in for me, I'll come by the red water.
Yeah.
Baby say. No, sir. I never pass stop sign, you know. If you go in there, you that not short. If you go down the hill there, or just go up a while ago. Easy. Yes, sir. They also look good though.
If you're poor, you can't live around it.
Tell them.
Property, everybody run it. The road is supposed to be the redneck city. The black girl and then shoot it look like a bird.
See that there? That's what I there. Yo, I treat them. Yeah, look, man, sir.
Yeah, man, country, so this is a country living. Real country living.
I ain't sharp, I'm not in Jamaica, people. We look like Jamaica, though. Jamaica. Mommy, don't stop holding on her foot when I drive. I can't
I'm
drive.
not holding my foot.
If I can't drive. If me touch it,
course you can
if I
drive.
touch the gas pedal a little bit, hold on the window.
What is this, a house?
Like a retired home. You see our apartment scheme? Me have an apartment, you see our housing scheme that.
Yeah, gated community.
And the one they do. Alright then.
Price reduce, the property for sale. You can come back and buy one of them outside.
You turn over here by yourself.
See the extremists in the US block on them ones. So them do, you know, they must live on them place. They're everywhere.
In half a
Watch
mile,
out.
turn left onto Tess on Ferry Road.
Extremists, them man.
Yes, I. Fuck, you sitting in Jamaica, so drive, yeah. So, we can't let me see the highway again. Alright, this is my highway, I look for it. Yeah,
0.3 miles to go.
alright, good.
This is why I'm alone going to come around.
You know, when you want your run come out, that's how you for
Yeah.
Yes. We call it again
Ferry
civilization.
Road. Let me go.
Go straight, me I go, ma'am.
Let me go.
Ma'am, I'm going straight, ma'am.
Okay.
Straight, ma'am. You stop in the car, stop sign over here, so.
600 feet.
Now, I'm going to go left now, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
At the light, turn left onto Tess on Ferry Road.
Yeah, you're on the cab. What's your name? And I see her that, you know.
I know, Alexander.
She lost me. I know if I use Google Maps, should I carry me go more and go.
No.
But yeah, that was my little journey through the jungle. See you later if I continue this vlog. But you know, I'll get to see that piece of okay, adventure.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, with mom. Cool, by the way. What the yeah, how did y'all get how did you guys get in here, man? How did you guys get the hell in here? Look at my damn hair. How did y'all get here? Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. What are you guys doing in here? Look at my face. I can't sleep. Like, I can't sleep. I woke up like 10 times last night. Oh, thanks to damn Neily, yo. Y'all was on her Instagram live yesterday. Y'all saw how she was treating me. Stuff she was saying to me, yo. She almost made me cry on the live, yo. Like, why she gotta be so savage? Live had like 500 people watching us, yo. And she was doing and saying the most, like, all I was thinking about last night is just like, what if someone was fucking on the live would probably like me, you understand? And see me getting all this damn rejection, like publicly, humiliation. Oh my gosh, man. It's like nothing I say or do will you know, let her like me or anything, and I don't know why she hates me so much. Like, why you hate me so much? You do all these things to people. Like, females, y'all know you some savages. You haven't, guys. Look at my eyes. Oh no. Why? What? I've done nothing to her. I done nothing to you. Why you hate me so much? try and get some sleep. I don't know. Y'all better find a way back out. The same way you got in, because I don't know how the hell you got right there right now in my bed. Like, okay. Hope you all had fun. Come on now.